The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, southeastern Delaware County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Worthington, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Locations impacted include Westerville, Easton, Gahanna, New Albany, Reynoldsburg. In addition, Minerva Park, Cuba Ridge, Port Columbus Airport and Center Village are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile markers 112 and 125. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now